In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion with a team for free. Here is the idea in plain terms. One person acts as the workspace owner or the host and shares specific pages with teammates as guests. This lets everyone collaborate without adding paid members or changing your workspace's billing. It's simple, controlled, and perfect when you just need to work together on certain pages. Start by choosing a top-level page you want your team to work in. A top-level page is one that sits directly in your sidebar, not buried under another page. Pick the one that makes sense as your main hub, maybe your project dashboard or a shared notes page so everyone lands in the right place. Right away, open that page and look to the top right for the Share button. Instead of going into Settings and Members, you'll use this Share option to invite people. This is the key to keeping things free. You are sharing a page, not adding full members to the entire workspace. In the Share menu, enter your teammates' email addresses to invite them as guests. They'll receive an email with access to that specific page, and you control exactly what they can do there. This targeted approach keeps your workspace tidy and your permissions clear. Before you send the invite, set the right level of access. You'll see three choices: full access, can edit, or can comment. Full access means they can edit the page and its subpages, move content around, and manage who else has access. Can edit lets them add and change content, but they can't manage sharing. Can comment is best when you want feedback without edits, great for approvals, reviews, or status updates. Remember, these permissions work on a per-page basis. That means you decide access for each page individually. If your team needs to work across multiple areas, repeat the same share and permission process for each relevant top-level page. This keeps access scoped to exactly what people need. No more and no less. A few tips to make this smooth: clearly name the page so your teammates know what it's for. Add a brief intro section at the top to explain how you'll use it. And keep important information near the top so new guests can get up to speed quickly. If you ever need to adjust access later, return to the same Share button on that page and update permissions there. That's all there is to it. Host the workspace, share a specific top-level page, invite teammates as guests, and set the right permission level. Clean, controlled collaboration without paying for full members. Thanks for watching.